Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, family? It's the homie Bigg Vic. We are back in here with another video. We're about to check out the Amazon load board. Today is May 14th, and the loads just came out yesterday. Yesterday morning, the loads started dropping. So this is pretty much what's left over from what came out on yesterday. So I'm going to go through some of the cities that you guys requested. Let's get right into today's video. All right, so first and foremost, y'all know I'm going to drop the city I'm in right now, Columbia, South Carolina. This is what's left on the load boards, 172 loads. Got some decent stuff up here, decent mileage, as you can see. The majority of this is post office, from Amazon facility to post office work. And then you got some facility to facility loads mixed up in here in a few different places. So it's 172 results for Columbia, South Carolina. So I'm gonna get right into the first city that you guys requested, city and state. We're gonna pull up St. Louis. Let's go to St. Louis. Angelo Barnes said he needed to see what's going on in St. Louis. So let's check that. St. Louis. St. Louis. Let's go to the Lou. Y'all got 50 results that are popping up right there in the Lou. $550. No. So it's 50 loads there within a 100-mile radius of Deadhead. So yeah, y'all got 50 loads out there. All right, next city. Let's go to, we're gonna get a glimpse at Detroit for Nick Stone. Nick, we about to check out Detroit for you. Detroit, let's go. Detroit got 390 results right now. Yo. Oh, Detroit not looking too bad. Look at them rate per mile. $3.11 per mile. Well, I need to come hang out in Detroit for a second. $3.50 a mile. It's not even that far. Look at that. 71 miles. 247 miles. A lot of this is in, yeah, Detroit. Detroit was good. Detroit, y'all eating out there. Somebody eating out there. Y'all got 390 loads left on the load board since yesterday when the loads dropped. All right, so let's go over to, let's see what's next. Fontana, California. Aaron Miller said he want to check out what's going on in Fontana. Fontana, Cali. Let's go. 15 results. Oh. Only 15 results coming up in Fontana, California. There you go, Aaron. All right, Alejandro Valles said he want to see what's going on in Newark, New Jersey. Let's go. Newark. Brick City, what's good? Newark, New Jersey. Here we go. Newark, 345 loads popped up. Not bad. Not bad. 345 loads popped up out there in Newark, New Jersey. Brick City, what's good, y'all? All right, so let's check out Albuquerque, New Mexico. What's going on out there? Is anything out there in Albuquerque? I'm spelling it wrong. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Let's go. Albuquerque. Nada. No matches in New Mexico. Let's check out Phoenix. Phoenix, AZ. That's Oregon. Phoenix, AZ. Why is it not doing Phoenix? Phoenix, Arizona. Click on it. There we go. Phoenix, Arizona. 6 results popped up for Phoenix, Arizona. All right, next. That was for the circle. Next, we got let's check Wisconsin right now. Wisconsin. What part of Wisconsin? I'm gonna just try a part of Wisconsin. 159 results. 159 results. Y'all can see his little bread out there. Most of that's over $2 a mile right there. See, $1.83. I got $4.45 a mile. Only 53.5 miles. Oh, that's sweet. I'd love to do that. I'll do that all day. $4.45 a mile for 53 miles? Man, let's get it. Let's get it. Oh. Let me look at this deadhead. I forgot to look at this deadhead over here. I got 166 miles of deadhead. Nah, that's probably not gonna work for me. That's too much deadhead. And load still popping up on the load board for that out there. All this 26-foot box truck work. All right, so let's check out Houston, Texas again. Houston, Texas. Let's check out Houston. Nothing, nada. No loads right now in Houston. No loads. Nothing in Houston, Texas, Oscar. Sandoval. No loads in Houston, Texas. Maybe they popped up last night, but there's nothing right now. Let's check NY. One of my favorite places. Let's check New York. I'm in New York. New York, y'all got 483 results. And y'all got some things popping up in Connecticut too. I see that. And it's within a 100-mile radius. You know, Connecticut is very, very, very close. New Jersey, y'all got some things popping up around there. But y'all got 483 loads popping up within a 100-mile radius. Within a 100-mile radius in New York. Okay, that was New York. Next, let's check out Cincinnati. The nasty natty, that's what they call it. Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's go. Y'all got 419 loads popping up out there in Cincinnati, within that vicinity. And a lot of this is in Kentucky. Now this is right there in Kentucky, northern Kentucky. So y'all got 419 loads popping up. Y'all got some decent loads out there too. Decent loads, $3.10 a mile, $3.51 a mile. I like that. I like the sound of that right there. All right, so next we're gonna go over to Gainesville, Tallahassee. Let's check Gainesville, Florida. Gainesville, Florida. 60 results popping up in Gainesville, Florida. 60 results. This is what's left right now. Remember I told you a lot of loads dropped yesterday on Thursday. So this is what's on the load board now. So you got 60 results. Gainesville. Let's check Tallahassee. Tallahassee, Florida. Let's check Tallahassee out. Nothing. No results. No results for Tallahassee. Then we got Chattanooga. Chattanooga 10. Let's see. Where you hiding at? Chattanooga, Tennessee, down here. Chattanooga, Tennessee. 128 results popping up within a 100-mile radius of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Got Chattanooga, Tennessee down here. So y'all got some loads out there. Y'all got it's 128 loads within a 100-mile radius of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's see what else. Who else? Kumar Farrax. I don't want to mess up your name. Hebron, Kentucky. I think that popped up already. Hebron, Kentucky. KY. Hebron, Kentucky. Am I just not seeing it? There we go. Hebron, Kentucky. 462 results are popping up for Hebron, Kentucky. So yeah, if you was thinking about getting, if you live in Hebron, Kentucky, you got 1 mile of deadhead to get to that facility, and you can eat very, very well. Look at that. Most of this stuff is, man, everything is over almost $3 a mile up here. Y'all got some good money out there, bro. Yeah, if you haven't gotten started, get started, bro. Hebron, Kentucky. Okay. Who else we got? Raphael Sutton said, let's check out Boise, Idaho. Boise, Idaho. What's in Boise? Nada. Nothing in Boise, Idaho. All right. Let's do Spokane. K Marty 910 said, let's check out Spokane, Washington. Nothing in Spokane. It's probably too much rain out there, man. Let's check Boston. Wookie said, let's check out Boston, Mass. What's in Boston? 447 loads populating within 100 miles of Boston, Massachusetts. Looking at these rates right here, $1.83, $1.64, $1.78. It's a lot of miles. $2.15, $1.60. Yeah. 447 loads are popping up in Boston, Mass. All right, let's see what else we got. Let's do Seattle, Washington. 85 results for Seattle, Washington. 85 loads are left on the load board for Seattle, Washington. Not too bad. Let's check ATL. Y'all. Atlanta. I gotta go pick up my truck in Atlanta next week. My getting the lift gate put on. And if y'all wanna know where to get them lift gates done at for a decent price, just hit me up in the comments. I'll drop it for you. Atlanta, Georgia. 241 loads are left. Them boys be snatching them loads up out there in ATL, so you got to be looking on that load board. So what you seeing left over right now is most people not trying to jump on these loads right here. Either that, or they doing the Amazon scalping method. I don't know about the Amazon scalping method. Sitting back, like a ninja in the cut for the mother loads. All right, so that's what's in Atlanta. 241 results popped up for ATL. Charlotte, pretty much what I just showed for Columbia is what's in Charlotte, North Carolina. So let's look at that. Yep, Charlotte. 319 results. That's what's up there for Charlotte. 319 loads are still sitting on the load board for Charlotte. I already did Houston. I think I did Cleveland. I don't think I did Cleveland yet. Cleveland, Ohio. Let's check out Cleveland. Emmett Jones Jr. said he want to see what's going on in Cleveland. Yo, Cleveland got 852 results right now. Now, what is going on in Cleveland or around Cleveland, Ohio? So within a 100-mile radius, y'all have 852 results in Cleveland right now. And these rates are not bad. They're not bad. I would definitely pick some of these if I was in Cleveland. I'll be out there eating. I'm gonna get a $3,500 a week messing with Cleveland out there. Y'all keep letting 852 loads sit on that load board out there. Is it cold? Is there ice on the ground? Is there no trucks running in Cleveland? What's going on? All right, so that's what's in Cleveland. Let's check Sacramento. Sacramento, Cali. 103 results for Sacramento, California. It must not be no gas in Cleveland, Ohio right now. Something going on, because they throwing money out there right now. It's peak season must be out there in Cleveland, Ohio. I don't know what's going on. The numbers look real good. They look real scrumptious out there. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much the loads that you guys requested, that you wanted to see, the cities and states that you wanted to see loads in. Like I said, I got another video I'm gonna drop as soon as I get my truck back. I'm gonna show you guys the new truck that I got, 2017 International, Cummins engine, Allison transmission, low miles, 178,000 miles on it. Still got a nice warranty on it. So yeah, box height 12 feet 7 inches high. And be on the lookout for that video, guys. It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you seen your city and you see that money up there, make sure you thumbs this video up. Drop down below in the comments if you guys want to see a different city, if I didn't call your city or state out in either one of the two videos that I dropped on the Amazon load board. Make sure you request it down below in the comment section. All right, once again, it's your homie Bigg Vic, man. Y'all know what it is. Always hustle, never stop growing, and until the next video drops, peace.